Alright, everybody. Welcome back to Rusty Relics Farm. One thing I'm doing right now is doing the last minute rearrangement. I'm going to move this mower over here and right here. Move the rototiller over there. So, easier access to it once I start working on it. Well, my dad and I, hopefully we can get this old girl back up and operating. Because I really want to be able to start here being on my dad's house by the time I'm 30, because I'm grateful for living with him and have a place to stay, but in sure event, he definitely wants to finally be an empty nester, which I feel terrible about that, because it costs, in the catfishing relationship, it ruined me financially. And done that, I would have more than enough to start building. Get some more nails and start hanging more tools along these rafters. Like I did right over here. In there, got to make use of whatever hanging space you got, right? Let's back to that tab. In camera. I used this old 212 for many, many years, and God, I'd say they still do a better cut than most modern mowers. I'm going to try and get the old 212's mower deck over to the farm. Either have my grandpa or my cousin weld in a patch in the front because it's got a little hole worn in it. Well, I already like to replace this tire because it got cracked by the sin for so long. similar tires should be able to get a blown back up. It should withstand another good 30 years. Also, one thing I like about this mower, other than most new ones, is the gas is gone. Just pop that sucker in neutral and push it. Yeah, start taking some of these mounts off because they're not going to be needed. I'm sure I'm not going to need that really big alternator. Yeah, I wonder if I could use that on a bigger tractor, maybe like an LSD 17. That should be able to run on that. Yeah, this mower's still got a lot of life left in it. I just know it. Oop, sorry. Good thing this engine is set, and sorry if you went upside down. This is recording this with my phone, so it gets a bit disorientating. So, here we go. And, hopefully this winter me and my dad will finally get this project done, because I've been wanting to get this done for years. Alright. Thank you to everyone that's been watching, and thank you to... No, I keep saying this, but I'm more than grateful to you new subscribers for joining in, because it means a lot. And hopefully, in the next year, finally be able to be monetized, because I would really love to, if this channel could help me build a better financial security. That's one goal. And another goal of mine has always been to preserve the old school equipment and show them working. Because these young farm YouTuber, a lot of these young farm YouTubers these days don't appreciate the old school. They just don't, and it just, yeah, it's frustrating. Anyway. That's it for now, and see you next time.